I was returning from the coffee room. Then I heard the shot.
What did you see?
Captain Fraker, standing with his gun pointed at Lieutenant Rodriguez, who was on the ground. He was advancing toward the lieutenant in a threatening manner, so I discharged my weapon.
What did you do next?
I entered the office and took Captain Fraker's gun. Then I began administering first aid to Lieutenant Rodriguez.
Did you handcuff the defendant?
I would have, but there was no need. He was clearly incapacitated.
And did you say anything to him?
Yes, I said, "What did you do?"
Did the defendant respond?
He said he wasn't sorry, that Rodriguez got what he deserved.
Nothing further.
Your witness, Mr. Sinclair.
Detective, did you question Captain Fraker before or after anyone else entered the office?
Before.
To your knowledge, did he say anything with other people present?
Not that I know of.
So he has a habit of blurting out things only when you two are alone.
Objection.
Sustained.
Detective, you testified you heard the gunshot. Did you see the shooting?
No.
So you couldn't say if Lieutenant Rodriguez reached for his gun first, could you?
That's ridiculous.
Would the court please instruct the witness to answer the question?
Detective.
No, I couldn't. But I...
Thank you. You also say that you discharged your weapon because Captain Fraker was advancing toward Lieutenant Rodriguez in a threatening manner, right?
Yes.
What constitutes a threatening manner?
His gun was drawn. He was pointing it at Lieutenant Rodriguez.
And you assumed what about Captain Fraker's intentions?
That he was preparing to shoot Lieutenant Rodriguez again.
But since Lieutenant Rodriguez went for his gun first...
Objection. Assuming facts that are not in evidence.
Sustained. Counsel, please don't argue your case through this witness.
Certainly, Your Honor. We'll hear from Captain Fraker soon enough to set the record straight. So, Detective, if Lieutenant Rodriguez reached for his gun first, based on your training, wouldn't Captain Fraker advancing toward Lieutenant Rodriguez with gun drawn be prudent?
There's no way that happened.
Detective, I'm asking you a yes or no question.
In a fictional scenario like that, sure.
So when you testified earlier, the Captain Fraker said Lieutenant Rodriguez got what he deserved. You don't know what that was in reference to, do you?
That he shot someone he hated.
Did Captain Fraker say that, or is that an assumption on your part?
He didn't say those exact words, but...
Detective, did you witness what transpired between Captain Fraker and Lieutenant Rodriguez prior to hearing the gunshot?
No.
You just shot first and asked questions later.
Objection.
Withdrawn. Nothing further.
Redirect, Your Honor. Detective, when you came upon the scene, was Lieutenant Rodriguez's gun holstered or unholstered?
Holstered.
Thank you. No further questions, Detective.
The witness may step down.
Thank you, Your Honor.